Hey guys, this is a review of the Seagate Backup Plus Portable Hard Drive. The storage capacity of this drive is 5 terabytes and it comes bundled with couple of offers. The first one is the Rescue Data Recovery Services for 2 years. The second one is a 1-year complimentary access to My Leo app by Seagate. This is a photo organizer and protection app that manages all the photos on multiple devices. And the last one is a 2-month membership for the Adobe Creative Cloud Photography plan. So this works on Windows 7 or higher and macOS 10 or higher versions. This is USB 3.0 compatible and backward compatible on USB 2.0 as well, but at lower data transfer speeds. And this comes with a limited warranty of 2 years. So let me quickly unbox this and later we'll also do speed test to see how this really performs. Firstly, we get some documentation and this includes the quick start guide. There is some info provided for the My Leo app. Next is some info on the Rescue Data Recovery plan. And lastly, we get this info on the Adobe Creative Cloud Photography plan. We get a cable and this is about 18 inches in length. This has a USB 3.0 plug at one end and a USB micro B plug at the other end. Lastly, let's take a look at the hard drive itself. So this is well built and there is an LED indicator in this corner and a Seagate logo on the other side. So this is made out of plastic and it has a brushed metal finish on the top. It does not require any external power source and it works just fine with the USB power. So this weighs about 265 grams and the form factor of the hard drive inside is 2.5 inches. I'm currently using a 2 terabyte portable hard drive by Samsung, and when compared to this, the Seagate drive is a little bit thicker and also a little bit longer. So let me go ahead and connect this to my computer. So this is plug and play, so this gets detected automatically when plugged in. Now let's take a look at what is present in the drive. An application is provided for Windows and Mac. Let's also check the properties of this drive on Windows. So this shows the capacity, use space and free space that is available. The RPM of this portable hard drive is roughly around 5400. So now let's do a performance test using the Crystal DiskMark software. So these are the results from the sequential read and write test. Just for comparison, I had done a similar test using my Samsung SSD inside a transcend portable enclosure and I got a sequential read speed of 434 MB per second and a write speed of 415 megabytes per second. Let us now test the read and write speed by copying a file from my computer into this drive. So I'll first copy a big video file into this drive and then copy back from this drive into the computer. Now I'll repeat the test with the same amount of data but with smaller sized image files. So these are the final numbers that I recorded from the test. You get to choose from a wide variety of colors and you also can choose between 4 TB and 5 TB capacities. 5 TB is really a big storage space and for this it has been priced very reasonably. Additionally, we also get couple of complimentary offers in the bundle and I think this hard drive is worth the money considering its price to performance ratio. The data transfer speeds are also pretty decent. So this is priced around $110 US and in India it is available for around 11,000 Indian rupees. So this is a fantastic backup drive for those who require massive capacity as a portable solution. Moreover, this is powered by USB and there is no need for an external power supply. So guys, that was a very quick review and my initial impressions on the 5TB Seagate backup plus portable hard drive. Hope this was useful to you. If it did, please do hit that like button on the video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.